Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a bonus video for the second day of our journey. So the self-healing journey, take your power back and rebuild your self-esteem, your self-confidence, re-find yourself again. That's the journey I'm doing, and I'm hoping a lot of you will do this journey with me. I'm going to be doing it every single day for months and months, for a very long time, so you can follow me each day. I have created a folder now in my playlist. So if you look at my playlist, you can find all the self-healing journey videos in there. It's called the self-healing journey. It's called Follow My Journey, My Healing Journey, the playlist, and it's all in there, so you can follow me and you can do these with me. There's daily exercises each and every day. There'll be different exercises. I posted the first one. Day one was yesterday, which you can also find just by looking through my videos, or you can go to the playlist and look at the playlist called Follow My Healing Journey, I think I called it. Mine's quite blank. Yeah, so you could do that. Or you could just look at my videos. But yeah, so this is a bonus video, a quick bonus one. So this morning I uploaded a video. I uploaded the first one yesterday, and this morning I uploaded day 2 with some daily tasks. This is going to be another daily task for today, because you can do more than one task. I've done quite well today, which I'm really proud about. I did a pamper morning where I literally had a real pamper, and then I created a daily routine which I'll start as probably of next week when my daughter goes back to her house. And in this one, I'm out in nature, so I'm spending time in nature, having a walk, getting some exercises, and I'll do a few other bits and a few other exercises which I'll share with you in a minute. Okay, so I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching. We'll jump into it. This is that same field I was in my video this morning that I posted, and we've just walked quite a long way from up from where those trees are. We've walked all the way down, and we're going to go into the woodlands. There's a woodland at the end there. We're going to walk through the woodlands, and it's a beautiful woods, and there's a quirky old little church. It's called Old Church in the Woods, and so we'll walk there in a minute. It should be quite fun. I'm getting a real tour of Hastings through my self-healing journey, but I will be doing a lot of traveling soon too, just day trips to different towns, so you get to see other towns. So yeah, we're going to go through the woods in a minute. We'll start our woodland adventure. So I do recommend that you try and spend as much time as you can out in nature. Get exercise. It helps, especially if you're feeling low in self-esteem and self-confidence. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Little buttercups. It's just gorgeous. There's so much to see. Absolutely beautiful. I have 2 favorite colors in the whole world, and it's pink. Pink is my happy color. Pink just makes me happy. It's my happiest color. And yellow. Yellow is my second favorite color. I absolutely love yellow. It's such a positive, jolly color. And they really reflect me, I think, as a person, those 2 colors. So yeah, so I'd recommend getting out in nature as much as you can. It's important. And it's so beautiful. There's so much to see and so much to do. And it really is food for the soul. I mean, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I could just stay here all day just looking at that. Oh, I'm a true nature spirit. Anyway, we've still got the main road just there, but we're going to carry on. We'll go into another little field bit in a minute, and then from that field we'll go into another much bigger, long woodland. Okay, so this is all part of the healing journey. If you can, get out. Maybe send me some photos. I'd love to see your photos. I will put my email address in the video, so you can share with me your photos if you like. And yeah, just try and get out if you can. Okay, I'll put you on pause for now. Now come to the church, which I love this church. It's so beautiful. It's called Church in the Woods. Absolutely gorgeous. So it is a very beautiful, beautiful church. It's so pretty and has so much to see, so much to look at. It's so quaint. It's got a mysterious feel about it. I'll take you around this bit here. It's absolutely beautiful. Just showing you some sightseeing, because sometimes it's nice to see it all. And for those of you who live in Hastings, you probably know the old Church in the Woods. It's very tranquil, very beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's got such an olden day feel to it. I think it's nice seeing new places. Please feel free to share some of your videos of areas where you live. I'd love to see it. And yeah, there's so much, and it is nice seeing different places, different areas to really explore. Again, there's more of the church. So peaceful, so tranquil. Wow, look at the roots on that. I love trees. Usually I hug tree, I'm a tree hugger. I love it, beautiful. It's quite sad, graveyard, but there's also a place of rest and a place of beauty. So it's sadness, but beauty at the same time. So it's really beautiful. You're still walking. Let me know if you enjoy me showing you a little bit of Hastings each time. If you find it boring and you'd rather skip that out of the video, then I will leave it. I just thought it makes a bit of a change. And I know how much I really appreciate seeing new places, seeing new things, being in nature. So I just want to share that appreciation with you, because I just feel it's nice. It's a beautiful journey. So another exercise that we can do today is what I'm doing now is just get out in nature and explore all the beauty that's around you. Maybe go and see a new place. Even if it's in your own town, you could travel down a road you've never walked down before. Maybe explore a new area within your town or within another area. Get out in nature. So that's another exercise. This will really help you to feel stronger in yourself and help you to be grounded. I'm puffed out. So when we're in nature, we get really puffed out. Puffed out, you can see. When we're in nature, we get really grounded, I was meant to say. See, when I'm in nature, I go in my own little world. I'm away at the fairies. So there I am, flying away at the fairies. Yeah, so it helps you get grounded. So yeah. Oops, butterflies. So, and it's good. It boosts your confidence as well. It helps you to feel better in yourself, to feel good in yourself. So that's another challenge, another daily exercise. Get out in nature, 1. And 2, explore an area you've never explored before. Anyway, even if it's just a road you've never walked down, it's in your own town, to try and explore a new area, a new road, be in nature, about that now, and enjoy the experience. Take loads of photos, film, just be mindful of what's around you. Really be mindful. Look, like that we looked at the little buttercups. Look at everything that's around you. Be mindful of your new surroundings, and you'll see how amazing you'll feel afterwards just from doing that. Okay. Trying to work out which way. Should I go that way? Or I might go this way. I've got lost in this wood before. Oh, it was in the middle of winter. It was getting close to, it was actually around this point, actually, I remember. And it was getting close to the end of the day. It got dark early in the winter. And I got lost, and I was actually lost for about an hour. Going in circles. I kept coming back to the same landmarks, and for an hour I walked round and round and round and round in circles, because in the winter time the wood is a lot more dense, a lot more, well, it seemed denser to me. I got completely lost. I started panicking, and I was like, Archangel Michael, Archangel Samuel, Saint Anthony, help me. And eventually, by some miracle, I found my way home. I found my way out of the woods, which I was really particularly grateful for. So I'm really taking note of where I'm walking at this time. Okay. Yes, I made it out. I made it out in one piece. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Oh, back to the main road. Now I'm going to take you to another of my favorite places called Wishing Tree Reservoir, which I absolutely love. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we've made it to the reservoir. It's surrounded by woodlands, which you can go for more woodland walks. If any of you ever think of coming to the UK, or those who live in the UK and you want to go to a nice place on holiday, come to Hastings. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if it's too bright to see much. And it's just woodland going all the way around. You could go for a really deep woodland walk. As you can see, it's such a beautiful place here, so tranquil and serene. Surrounded by woodland. Okay, I'll show you this side first. So I hope you're all enjoying this. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Just become so one with nature. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy that daily task, which is explore a different road, a road you've never been down before. And yeah, I don't know if you can see it, it's so bright I can't see anything that I'm recording. Turn this way. Yeah, so explore a road or an area that you've never explored before, and maybe see an area you've never been to, even if it's just a road, even if you can't travel today. Just go for, like, here, this is in my town, this is on my doorstep, I live only around the corner. So this is just going a road or somewhere you've never been, and just spend time in nature. And you'll just see how different you'll feel. So uplifted, you'll feel so much better in yourself. You'll just feel really, really good. I'll do one more shot, a quick sweep, and then I'll end this. It's just a quick bonus video. Like I said, you can do more than one thing a day. So I'll do a quick sweep and then I'll say goodbye until tomorrow. Have a lovely evening and thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for watching. Until tomorrow, bye.